Alright guys, what's up? I have to wake my son up so he can watch my little son because it's already time for him to get up. So I pretty much wake up the oldest so he can watch him in the living room while I kind of get myself together before I help them get themselves together. Let's go get them up because I don't want them to be late. Amari, let's wake up. We got school. Come on, baby. Let's get up. Come on. No. Come on, we gotta get ready for school. Come on. You're not pushing my hand away. Get up. We gotta go for school. Wakey, wakey. Chicka. Where are you ticklish at? Come on. Wait, carita. You don't get your clothes on? Alright, I'm about to go get Ninzo, okay? What? Gotta get a little Ninzo. What's wrong, Papa? You really kicking. What's the matter with the baby? I gotta change you? Ooh, you gotta be changed. Oh, you pulling my hair. Okay. Oh, let's change you. Nick, you done brushing your teeth? Do you think you go in your room and get your clothes? So, my son got his own clothes. He got him a yellow hoodie. I'm not showing you. He got some black pants. The things he decided to wear, and then he got a black shirt. So, I'm okay with it. It's good in my book. You want goldfish? Oh, let me go ask Amari. I ain't showing you. Nobody can see you. For their snack, they both want something different. So, one wants cereal and one wants goldfish. So what I do is I get the bag. I cut it in half. She can do that. If we got it, she can have it. So, cut this in half. There's many ways you can do it. I've seen online. And then I'll turn on the stove to see what's the one, the good one. Alright, so they're in half, and then I'm just gonna put this on the stove where it closes up, and then I'll fill it up with their snack that they want. Alright, back. So this is what it looks like. It's a little rich part of it. It's all closed up, and there you go. You got your little bag. So one wants to go fish. Alright, so that's his little snack. Alright, and that's how it is. Now let's do Amari's. Alright, my baby likes this cereal. So I'll do hers. That's her. So they both got their little snack, and then they have water that they take. So okay guys, so ooh, my voice. All right, I forgot to show y'all what I do whenever they're done getting everything together. They have their books bag at the front door, and I put their snack by their bag so they can remember to put it in their bag, not me, because I already do enough, you know, helping them and teaching them, you know, how to be more independent. But yeah, they put their book bags in the front door, and then it just helps me and them remind them to put it in their bag so they can have a snack after school, whatever. But yeah. Junior, where your dirty clothes go? Boy, you changed in the living room, but you need to go put your dirty clothes where?
Is it?
Where? Are you ready? What's the next thing you gotta do? You got socks on? Where your shoes at? You gotta brush your hair, put your cologne on, and what else? Put your snack in your backpack. Bruh. Come on, man. Come on. This is what we do every morning. Come on. And then I gotta wash your face and clean your ears. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Junior.
Yeah?
You ain't did nothing I told you to do. Boy, you don't listen.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Mari, you're tying your shoe. Okay. She got her, what are those? Bunny ears going on. Okay. Let's see. Oh, shoot. She got her double knot going on. All right, so I just got to teach you how to make it a little tighter, you know, right here. But you did good. Good job, mama. All right, so let's go. Put your snack in your backpack.
Boy, baby, baby. I keep winning, yeah. You see me shining, yeah. I need 100 bands. I keep winning, yeah. I keep winning, yeah. You see me shining,
Watch Enzo while I go start the car. Let's show what y'all working with. Hey, got the kids together, Come on. Got 2 minutes. We're gonna do this 2 minutes. 2 minutes until it's time to get in the car and go. Come on, let's go. I got my. Only thing is, I don't got my phone and I'm not gonna get it. I'm not going back to get it. Come on. Enzo heavy. Open the door. Teamwork. Tokyo, that's why you gotta dance before you get ready to go, so you can get a little warm. Dancing makes you happy and makes you... Okay, I like that. Alright, so let's see how we gonna put this in. Oh my God. One hand, mama. Threw him up there. Oh my gosh. Up in it. I can't even see him. Yeah. All right. Let's get this up so my baby can breathe. Thank you for my wallet, sir. Give my wallet, sir. What? All right, you're gonna have a good day today. I'm so excited for y'all. I love y'all. Okay. Bruh. You said what? Why? Yeah. You have a good day? Good day. I'm gonna miss y'all. Me and Liz are gonna miss y'all. Okay? Bye, babies. Love y'all. I love y'all. Say good morning. Thank you. Yes, we did. You have a good one. Thank you.